So in this video, I'll show you how to reset your JVC TV remote control, no matter how it looks. Maybe it's not looking like this one. Don't worry, it works the same way for your JVC TV remote control. So the first step is to unplug your TV from the wall socket. Once this is done, go ahead and remove the batteries from your remote control. Once the batteries are out, you need to turn around your Toshiba remote control and press very hard on every button located on it. Okay, press at least 3 times very hard on each of these buttons. It may take 5 minutes, it may take 10 minutes, but you need to do it. Why? Because if one of these buttons is stuck, unfortunately the whole remote control can stop working altogether. So by pressing very hard, we're trying to dislodge any hair, any dust, dirt, whatever was there that was forbidding this remote control to work properly. Once you've done this, and you need to do it for every buttons, even the down below ones, go ahead and put back the batteries. I always suggest you use new batteries in case these were too weak to make the remote control work. Sometimes even if they're not completely dead, the remote control doesn't like that and stop working properly. Once the lid is back, go ahead, plug back your TV into the wall socket and power on your Toshiba TV using the button located on the TV. Could be under it, could be in the front, in the back. Power it on using that button and not the button from the remote control. Then go ahead and test the remote control. Hopefully your problem is gone, the remote has been resetted and everything is great. Now, a quick way, if this didn't work for you, to know if your remote control is actually sending any signal to your TV is to take your smartphone, open the camera app on your smartphone, point the remote control towards the lens of your phone, and press every single button once. I know it's hard to see in this video, but usually, let me just point it towards this camera. You see, there's a red light that appears. This is the infrared sensor. You cannot see this with your naked eye. You absolutely need to use a camera to detect it. So do this for each buttons and make sure this sensor is lighting up every time you press the button. This way, you know for sure that the remote control is working and it's not the remote control the problem, it's actually the TV.